Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And oh my god, I know it's been so long. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. I am back. I just want to wish you guys a Happy New Year. I want to send out all the blessings and all the love in the world to each and every one of you who has been supporting me. Hope you guys are having an amazing year already. There has been so many good things going on in my life, and I just want to wish you guys many blessings. Just wanted to do this quick video on this little look that I have right here. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette. It is very simple yet glammy, and I also got inspired by this picture that I saw of Rihanna. Her face was very glowy in this picture. This one right here, I don't know why, but I love how she looks in this picture. I did amp it up a bit. My eyes are neutral like this, but a little bit louder. And my lip, of course, is not dark, but this color. And I hope you guys enjoy this look. And I also wanted to share with you guys, I just want to shout out Sigma for sending me this package, and it's this one right here. I did sign up for the Sigma Pro, and they sent me my Sigma Pro card, and I just want to say thank you to them for sending me this brush cleaner. It's so cute. I can't wait to try it. This E25 blending brush, which is so famous, I know. And they also sent me the liquid brush cleaner, which is this one right here. And I just want to shout them out and say thank you guys so much. I can't wait to start my journey with you guys and check out all the stuff you guys have to offer. And I also got the Embellish Lash mascara from them in brown. It's called Put It in Writing. And I just want to thank them so much for receiving me and sending me this goodie. They sent me a cute card saying that they're excited for me being a part of the program. Log in now to start saving with your discount. So cute. Thank you guys so much. And this is my card. This is very exciting for me. I will be reviewing the stuff that they sent me. Thank you so much to the Sigma team for sending me that package. And I also wanted to put you guys on to Pinchme. I don't know if you guys heard of them before, but I signed up to Pinchme.com about more than 6 months ago, and with them pretty much they have merchandise, they offer coupons and products that they can send out to you based on the stuff that you tell them about yourself. And this is my little Pinchme box that I got this month. I absolutely love what I got. I'm going to show you guys real quick. I did get the RX Bar Kids. It's like this little bar, and it has no bad stuff. It has egg whites, almonds, cashews, and dates. I got this hydrating argan hair mask from Arvanzalia. It's this one right here. I can't wait to try it because I love stuff that has argan oil. And it says it's a deep conditioning and hydration for softer, silkier, healthier hair. And I also got this Kashi bar, which I already buy. Like when I saw this, I was like, oh my god. And it says new and improved. I'm gonna see what that's all about, but I can't wait to try it out. And they also did include me in the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. And I got the shade Y335, and it's this one right here. I can do a review and a video for you guys on this, but I can't wait to try this foundation. I can't believe they actually sent me this. I've never gotten makeup from them before. If I have, I don't remember, but I've usually gotten like sour cream, hot sauce, like all this stuff from them. But they pretty much sent me 2 bars and this hair mask and the Makeup Forever HD foundation, which I can't wait to try. So yeah, this is Pinchme.com. If you guys want a video on this, then I can do it for you. But if you can see on the box, it has like a whole bunch of icons and stuff that they can send out to you. And then after this, I just have to review the stuff that they sent me and fill out a few surveys, and I'm done. And yeah, I got this for free. Pretty much free products from Pinchme.com. Thank you guys so much. I love my box. I can't wait to try everything you guys sent me. So yeah, moving forward, this is the look, you guys. And I pretty much use my Jaclyn Hill palette. I use a Milani blush and a few drugstore products, but this is the look. And I did do cream contour, which I really haven't done on my videos. This is the look, you guys. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so my eyes are primed with soft ochre, and I'm just going to start with my transition color at first. This is going to be my base Then I'm going to be transitioning colors. This is a Morphe brush, of course, and I'm just swirling that in there. It's pretty much my crease area. And same thing with the other eye. And next I'm grabbing that shade, which is a tad bit darker than the first one, and I'm just applying it to the same area. This one is like a smoky orange, and I just want to apply that to the outer part, not bringing it in too far, but blending it in, making sure they all blend in together. Next I'm grabbing that color, I forgot what it's called, but I'm just gonna grab my finger and apply it to my lids, making sure it's nice and pigmented, nice and even and bright. I felt like my finger was the best tool for that part. Sometimes you don't always need a brush. Next I'm gonna go in with that mustardy yellow, and I'm gonna use that to kind of like erase those harsh edges and to make it stand out. Like I want the yellow to stand out, so I'm gonna put a bit more than usual on that area. So it's gonna have like a gradient effect with the orange and everything else that I used. So yeah, I just made sure everything was nice and even, and I grabbed my Hourglass primer and my Skin Perfecting BECCA illuminator and my Colorpop primer. And next I will be going in with Wet n Wild and Fit Me foundation, and that is my Morphe blender. I'm just gonna make sure everything is nice and blended. Next I will be going in with my Naked Skin concealer, and just gonna highlight all the areas that I want highlighted on my face. And you guys know the deal. This is Maybelline concealer as well. This is the neutralizer, I think, and I'm just gonna highlight away. And next I'm grabbing my Morphe sponge, and I'm just gonna blend everything nice and seamlessly, making sure everything is blended in nicely. Here I just grabbed my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm just gonna contour my forehead and all the areas that I want to hide, in other words. My cheekbones, my nose, under my lips, my jawline. And of course, I'm gonna blend everything out. My jawline, under my nose, the sides of my nose, my cheekbones. And this is actually one of my favorite steps as well. And it can't hurt to dance, huh? Under my lips. Next I'm grabbing AIRSPUN. I've never tried this actually. This is the first time I'm trying this translucent powder, and I actually loved it. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply that to all the areas where I want to set and bake just a tad bit. And I'm also gonna go in with this Milani blush that I've never gone in with before, and I actually loved it as well. I thought it complemented my skin tone very, very well. If you guys do want a drugstore tutorial, please let me know in the comments down below. I'd be more than happy to make that for you guys. And next I just grabbed my Perversion mascara from Urban Decay, and I'm just applying some of that before my falsies. This is Colorpop again. I'm obsessed with this spray. I'm grabbing Otherearthly. This is limited edition, I believe, came out a couple years ago, with a fan brush, and I'm just gonna apply highlight a bit. I absolutely love this highlight, you guys. And of course I'm just gonna apply some to the inner corners of my eyes. I think it looks so beautiful. And I just darkened up that contour I did with cream with some of my DH Cosmetics Sculpt and Glow. And of course I applied my falsies and onto the lips. That lip liner is by Ochre Cosmetics. I will put it in my description box. And as far as Colorpop, I went with that kind of corally nudie color. And yeah, you guys, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had so much fun filming this for you. I was singing, dancing. I was doing all kinds of stuff while I was filming this video. I had the time of my life. I was playing with my daughter at the same time. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. I had so much fun creating it for you, and I think it came out so beautiful. I had never done something like this before, and I feel like everything just coordinated and fell into place. I absolutely love this look. I think I will be doing this look again and again and again, and I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, I love you so much. Mwah.